Good morning, student. Today's also important topic in physiology of test. Introduction. The sense of test या guttation is a chemical sense which is stimulated by the food and drink. It contributes considerable to the quality of life and an important stimulant for digestion. Taste must be distinct from flavor, which includes the olfactory, textile, and thermal attributes of food in additional of taste. Site of taste. The taste gustatory stimuli are detected by specialized chemoreceptors called as a test receptors or test cell. The test receptors, the test cells, are clustered in the test bud, which is located on the tongue, plates, pharynx, epiglottis, upper third part of esophagus, and tongue. The main site of test detection contains numbers of test bud on its dorsal surface. The mucous membrane of the dorsal surface of tongue exhibit number of papillae, which increase the surface area of the mucosa available for test receptors. The test buds are located in the wall of these papillae. Papillae. Now we discuss about papillae. Papillae, which is present on the tongue and which are of four types: circumvallate papillae, fungiform papillae, follate papillae, and filiform papillae. Circumvallate papillae, these are large. These are the large 2 to 4 mm in diameter of papillae, about 10 to 12 numbers, forming a single row in front of sulcus terminal. Sulcus terminus is a V-shaped group with apex posteriorly, which separate the anterior two-thirds of the dorsal of tongue from the posterior one-third. Each circumvallate papillae is surrounded by a group. About 200 tested buds are located along the site of each circumvallate papillae. Fungiform papillae. These are the bright red flat dot-like structures, each of about 1 mm in diameter, which is located the anterior two-third of tongue along the edge, dorsal, and tips. These are 8 to 10 test words on each papillae. This is a epiglottis, inguinal tonsil. This is a tongue, and this is a test word, and this is a fungiform papillae, piliform papillae, follate papillae, which consists of follate papillae and vallate papillae, platine tonsil, and inguinal tonsil. Follate papillae, these are the transverse mucosal fold found on the posterior lateral surface, tongue anteriorly to the circumvallate papillae. Each follate papillae has numerous test words. Piliform papillae, these are small conical projections covering the entire remaining surface of the dorsum of the anterior two-thirds of tongue, giving it a valid appearance. They are arranged in raw parallels to the sulcus of terminals. They are not gustatory structures, and it does not contain test word, and they may play a role in breaking up of food particles and also called as a mechanical papillary in contract to the other three forms, which is called as a gustatory papillary. Test word distribution. Test word test word are concerned with the sensation of taste. Are mentioned above. Test word are located on the tongue papillae, hard and soft fluid, epiglottis, pharynx, and upper third of esophagus. Structures. Each test word is a barrel shape. Clusters of test with a small opening, the test core in the surface that allow substance to reach the interior of the test word. Each test word measure about 50 to 70 micrometer in diameter and consist of flowing cells. This is a picture showing the test word. This is a microvilli and which consists of test, and this is the epithelial layer of the test word and which consists of microvilli and test word. And this is a elongated test word receptor, the gustatory receptor cells, and this is a supporting cell. This is a which consists of nerve fibers. Receptor cells. Each test word has about 100 receptor cells, modified epithelial cells, which have a flowing characteristics. The receptors are elongated, bipolar shaped, and extend from the epithelial opening of the test word to its base. These test cells have a short life, about लगभग lifespan is 10 days and more, and are continuously replaced by the new task cells, differentiated from the basal cells. Now we discuss about basal replacement cell. These are the small round cells which is present on the bottom of test word. They are located, they are thought to be the stem cell, which are continuously being differentiated into the test cells. Supporting cells, in addition of the test cells and vessel cells, the test word contains a supporting cell and such nuclear cell. Thank you everyone.